Good morning, animal friends. It's Tuesday, and we're going out Tuesday instead of tomorrow because starting tonight it's going to be raining right through till Saturday, and I don't know if it's going to be probably raining all day Saturday. So but April showers bring May flowers, and but we're kind of getting into May, so maybe those flowers will start popping up. But anyways, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning, and yeah, away we go, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, good morning. We're at our first pickup, and this is it, a barbecue and a plant stand, which is really, really cool. And that's our first stop. And I guess these little bikes also. Okay, all right. Oh, my goodness me. You were chasing a rabbit.
Jackrabbit, what you do?
Oh, yeah. I don't think you can catch a rabbit.
On my way home, the last stop, I'll be stopping at your other...
Look how nice you're sitting.
It's small, but it's bloody heavy. Oh, okay.
He says I'm 13 and a half now.
You're 13. Oh, he needs to lay down to have his cookie, Kim.
You know what?
He's such a baby.
Yeah. I know, today's the last day for filing, become an accountant.
Yes, for taxes. So you're busy, I bet.
You know what? I'm in really good shape, so I only have a few. I'm going to easily meet the deadline.
Oh, there we go. Teddy, what's the... Aw, poor Teddy.
No, he doesn't need one.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You're welcome.
We already have one, thank you. You gave it to me. Like that, you gave me the last time.
All right.
Look how much.
You want another one?
Oh, my goodness me.
One.
That one's a peanut butter one.
Has peanut butter in it.
Ron, can he have just a little? It's just a little peanut.
Yeah,
oh, look at him.
peanut
Oh,
butter
he's
one.
looking at it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Kim, I'm sorry. Oh, he doesn't
He
want?
want that one.
No.
He wants this one.
I know.
What's wrong with him? He's getting fat?
I don't know. But he knows which one he wants.
I can't believe, he's so fussy. Or kind of fussy. It's like...
Are you? That's a good
yes,
one.
my boy.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Oh, so this is our, I don't know how many stops we've made, but this is what we picked up here. 2 fridges. And this is our next stop here where we have another fridge. And we have a dishwasher. Okay, awesome possum. That's great. Thank you for that. All right.